Welcome back to my channel and hello to all my new subscribers. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. This week we are looking at the face mask. I wanted to specifically sew a fabric face mask for you guys and show you guys some tips and tricks. But before we start, subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you guys are aware of every time I upload. So guys, before we started, I wanted to do the video was because I saw people were using old jeans, old jersey shirts. And so I just want to kind of show you, hopefully this video will do that, just to be a little bit aware of what fabrics you're using for your mask. Also to remind you that the mask will not specifically protect you from getting the virus, but it will help you. And what we want to do is use proper fabrics and even the filter, and 30%, 50%, that it's a higher percentage that you will not catch the virus walking around. I put this light on for you so that you can at least see the holes. So here's the mask that we're going to be making. Now this mask is a variation of masks. This one here is like that. Now the only thing with this mask, which is obviously great, is that it cups right around your chin. This mask is a little bit longer, so I saw a pattern that someone was using that was a little bit longer extended, but this is a female version that I made. We have the male version, which is just a little bit longer at the sides and a little bit wide, like wider, bigger, you can see that. Then we have the toddler mask, and this one has elastic at the side, and I made it a little bit smaller than the original version that I had made. And then we have the baby mask. The baby mask, which we don't have a baby, so I didn't want to put an elastic there or anything, but this is just to help you parents, just so you can see. Now this is the original pattern, and what I did was on the printer I went down, I believe this one's 80% and this is 70%, and then the younger the children, you just keep going down. This is fits about the 80% fits about a 4 or 5 year old, and then you just go down in the age. Now the other thing that I used, why my nose is staying up like that, is this jute twine from Dollarama. Hey guys, you know what time it is? It's question time. I'm wondering, are you guys wearing the fabric mask? If you are, put yes in the comments down below. Now, if you are not, I want to know why. And what I'm going to recommend you do is either back stitch or you're going to double stitch the whole thing. I'm going to be double stitching the entire thing because it is denim and I did not serge. And what I had done with the other mask was I sewed, and then I was going to turn this part over and put this in the earpiece, but I don't like stuff in my ears like that and hair behind my ears. So what I ended up doing with all of them after finishing everything was I ended up making a slit here so that I'm able to slit the elastic in and put it around on the back part like that. Now with the children's mask, the way that it's way easier is if you sew the elastic on this portion here and then pull it on there, so that then you will have the gathering and you can just sew a line and gather it all up. Don't put it on this side, it makes it a little bit harder. Just sew it in this side when you're closing this portion, okay? So remember, there's two ways to do your elastic, depends on which one you fancy. You can either sew the entire thing, put it like that, then feed the elastic through, sorry, hopefully you can see that, and then have it like that around your ears, or you can put it all the way around your head. So hey guys, we are finished another video and I wanted to know, what did you guys think? Did you enjoy the sewing portion of it? For you guys that don't know, I am a fashion designer, so I should have been sewing all along, and now I can't do any renovations because no one's allowed to come over, and so the only thing that I can do is sew. So let me know if you guys enjoyed it. For anyone that is new, your first time, don't forget to subscribe to the channel by clicking that red subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell. That will let you know the next time I upload. I look forward to seeing you guys next week. Take care. God bless you.